being that the new year is only 3 days old, I need to start reviewing everything, changing stuff out, updating things. And so I thought I would take you along the journey in case you forget to do some of these things yourself, or if you maybe you didn't even think about it. I'm going to share with you the things that I'm doing to reset for my new year. Okay? Because we run our lives like a business. Okay? A business. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Wayna, and I usually make interior design videos for renters, but I'm gonna show you behind the scenes. But first, I need to make my tea, and let's see what tea we're gonna have today. Because we got tea options. I could do some green tea or some chai, flavored dandelion root, ginger lemon, or I could keep it cute with the jade citrus mint, or do some raspberry leaves, ashwagandha root. I think I'm gonna do this. This has been helping me feel more energized. Elderberry, more chai, peach, or the loose leaf fruit tea. I usually only drink this when I feel like I'm constipated. This is black owned also, y'all. Okay, so I think today I'm gonna drink, I'm feeling peachy. So I'm gonna do these two today. No, I lied, I'm gonna do these three. All right, we all steeped up, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink this down real quick. Fire. Put this on because I look a little rough like this. Better. I wanted to show you my car setup. So this is my car office. All right, first thing is this tray that is from Amazon, and it has a nice little cup holder, and if you flip it around, it has a little slot here for a pencil, or you can fit your phone on the side like so. So I really like this. It allows me to work from anywhere. And then I have this power, what is it, a power inverter? And I have my laptop plugged in, so I'm being powered by the car. And then I have my hotspot from T-Mobile, so I can work from anywhere. Great internet. You might be thinking, if you have an office, why do you want to work in the car? Let me show you why. Look at the view above my head. This is my sunroof. So yeah, I would much rather sit under this beautiful sky than sit in anybody's building, whether it's my home or the office. But yeah, it's one of my favorite places to work. Yeah, get a little vitamin D, a little fresh air, and I can work from anywhere. Sometimes I go and I sit near like water fountains or like a little pond or something like that and watch the water. It's so refreshing. So yeah, if you don't have an office car, a car office, get yourself a car office. Oh wow, look what I see outside of my car. Isn't this such a beautiful bird? Okay, first I thought this was a stork, but when I did a little bit of research, this might be a great egret, which is characterized by this yellow beak and these black legs. What do you think? All right, later on, I decided to start deep cleaning, and I've been walking past these light bulbs and in full disgust for quite some time. So I decided to clean my light bulbs because look how smudgy and dirty they look. And just by wiping them down, they shine brighter and they just look so much cleaner. At the beginning of the year, I like to do an assessment of pretty much every part of my home and life. And it's not a big deal like it sounds. It's literally just taking a look at what's around me and what's old, what needs to be donated and replaced. And so that's what I did. I was showering and thinking to myself, boy, do we need some new towels. So I went to Amazon and I found this really good brand. This is like the hotel standard brand. So for any of you people out there that like to steal the towels from the hotels, you can go to Amazon and purchase them for your own home. And I just, threw all of these towels in a washer and folded them up really nicely. And I feel like I have been upgraded. All of my towels match and they are so plush, and I won't have to do this probably until 2025. And then I like to get my wardrobe together because I have gotten so many questions again about me having a small wardrobe. And like I said before, I'll say it again, do not be fooled. This is a very large wardrobe. I can make so many outfits out of the clothing articles that I have, and that's what I like to do. I like to go through my stuff, see what I'm wearing, and come up with new ideas. Now, the other thing that I like to do is to conceal my cords. I found this box from IKEA, and you can get them from anywhere, but it allows me to put all my cords into this box and make everything look all nice and neat. So I'm loving that. But back to this wardrobe situation. These are some new cargo pants that I purchased from Zara, and I'm just putting my outfits together because I like to create collages in a software called Trello, and I'm able to just kind of get dressed from my phone. It's very much giving Clueless 2023 version, where Cher had that spinning garment rack. I always wanted one of those, but anyway, yeah, I take a bunch of videos or photos of different outfits when I have my hair and makeup done, and then from there I'm able to choose which outfits look the best for what type of events. And like I said, it just gives me an opportunity to see what I have, because a lot of times people say, I have nothing to wear, and they'll have a closet with clothes from the floor to the ceiling. I mean, way more clothes than I own, but because you're not looking at what you actually own and utilizing it, you'll think you don't have any clothes. So I like to do this all the time and play with different styles and stuff. But yeah, that's a good tip if you are looking to expand your wardrobe. Shop your closet. And then one of the craziest things that I did recently is I decided to wax my neck. I know. But hear me out. I usually shave my neck and the hair comes back and it's thicker and it comes back quite quickly. So I was like, you know what? In 2023, I am not about to be bothered with doing the same thing over and over again. So I decided to wax my neck, and it didn't hurt. It honestly felt as painful as like leg waxing, but I am going to be wearing a lot of ponytails this year. This year, I am going to be so basic, and I don't want to have a bunch of cuckabucks running down the back of my neck. So I waxed it, and I think it looks really good. I know it's a little red right now, but the redness did go away, and it just makes my ponytail look so clean. So these are some of the many things that I've done to reset my life for the new year. And if you have any suggestions or opinions, let me know in the comment section down below. Now, for more storage ideas in a small space, check out this video that I put up right here.